Hello students, welcome to it, the platform of North Public Schools. First of all, I want to say good afternoon to all of you. Now, today I am present here before you with the latest video of class 8 subject science, and topic is microorganism of lesson 2. Here I am going to discuss about long type of questions for you. Here I solved in very compact manner so that you can get more and more benefit from it. Now let us start the video. Today I will going to discuss about long type questions under understanding the text. Here look at the first questions. What are the microorganisms? Where are they found? And give the name of different types of microorganisms. So what are microorganisms? Where they are found? And give the names of different kinds of microorganisms. So here I have written organism that can be seen by microscopes, that is microorganism that cannot be seen with the help of naked eye is called as microorganism. It can be seen only by microscopes. So with the help of these, try to write yourselves in your own words so that you can understand its thoughts. And I have written here microorganism that seen by microscope are called as microorganism. And where are they found? Simply we can say that they are found everywhere. They are found everywhere. So look at the hint here given to you. Microorganisms are found everywhere. And now the last question is, give the name of different types of microorganisms. So different types of microorganisms, there are main 5 types of microorganisms, you must remember it. First, bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa and viruses are 5 kinds of microorganisms. If you want to write answer more and more, then try to give examples, but it is not necessarily should be written. So you write the answers at least 40 to 50 words, and be careful about word limits. It is very important while writing the answers for long type of questions. I am not writing here in detail, but I hint you with these you can get more and more useful answer. So please always try to write answer in your own language. It will help you to give better performance. Now look at the second question. How do bacteria survive under unfavorable conditions? As you know, and I have taught you about it, that bacteria withstands in unfavorable conditions with the help of cysts. So with the help of cysts bacteria can prevail its adverse conditions or unfavorable conditions. So here I have written with the help of cyst. You can take help from your textbook related to these questions. The answer is printed on your textbook of page number 28. Let's know 2.1. Please read it and write the questions with your understandings, and you have to answers in your own language. Now move towards the third questions, please. Here it is asked that how will you grow bread molds? So with the experiments. So for answering these questions, you can help with activity 4 given on page number 32 of your textbook. And briefly, I want to suggest you, in shorts, you can write, take a piece of moist bread and keep it at dark places for 4 or 5 days. Then you can observe the growth of molds on the surface of the bread. So try to answer these questions in your own language with the help of activity 4 given on page number 32. Now let us answer the 4 number question. Here it is asked that give the importance of fungi to human race. Importance of fungi in human race. How fungi is useful in human race? Actually, in human race, some runner is suffered and be in trouble by itching. So to be cured from itching, they ought to use one product that is very essentials, that is made from fungi, and it would help him to get benefited. So and fungi also, some fungi also provide some necessary nutrients for runners. So it provides essential nutrients that is useful for runners. Okay. And somebody uses ring guards. It is also made from fungi. That is also useful for runner. It provides essential nutrients that is useful for runners. Here it is the good answers. Now look at the question number 5. What is fermentations? How does it takes place? Fermentations, you all know about it, that conversion of carbohydrates into alcohol or acids with the help of yeast by binary fission is called as fermentations. So I am writing these things in this manner: conversion of carbohydrates into alcohols by binary fissions in the presence of yeast. It is fermentations. Now question number 6. Give an account of food preservations. Food preservations. How we can, why we preserve foods. It helps us to take safe food. So food can be protected from getting spoiled. So I have written here, to prevent the spoilage of food, preservation is required. So here I have written, to prevent the spoilage of food preservations takes place. Now the last question of this lesson: when write an essay on economic usage of bacteria and fungi. Write an essay on economic usage of bacteria and fungi. Write an economic usage of bacteria and fungi. You must be alert about it, how you can use bacteria and fungi so that you can get more and more benefited. Otherwise it can prove harmful for you. So the usage of bacteria produced vitamin B and K. It produced vitamin B and K. Number 2, convert milk into curd. Second, lactobacillus bacteria is very useful to convert milk into curd and make butter, cheese, etc. There are many milk products can be prepared by using bacteria, and it is also useful in the preparation of vinegar and wine. So it is also one of the most useful advantage. And other uses of bacteria in curing tea and tanning leathers, these are the most important uses. And making antibodies and vaccines, which is useful to cure the disease infected by bacteria. And usage of fungi. First usage, some fungi are edible, which is a rich sources of nutrients, and it is also the sources of vitamins. It is the sources of vitamins also, is used in making many foods. We use yeast. And number 4, used in ripening cheese. And last usage, obtain certain vital medicines by using fungi. So these are the answers for long type questions of your lessons. You must remember it, and it is very important questions. You should be careful while answering. Today up to here. In next video I will come again with lesson 3rd. Thank you.